Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Al Lucchino. Welcome to the Harley-Davidson of Danbury virtual showroom. If you're watching this, you may be watching it on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook, any number of these mediums. But if you're watching it as a Facebook reel, please check the comments section. I'll post a link to the full walk around and review video. Now, what am I reviewing with you today? Today we've got the 2026 Street Glide base model. It's only $24,999. That's right. It's just under $25K. That doesn't include the factory freight and setup. It's got the Dark Billiard Gray. It's got the traditional chrome and black wrinkle engine. It's got everything you want and everything that you need, and it's available at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Now, let's walk you through this motorcycle. We've got the traditional bat wing fairing on this bike updated with computational flow dynamics. In layman's terms, that means it's wind tunnel tested and computer designed for aerodynamics. This bike has LED lighting. We've got the 12.3-inch Syline operating system. You've got ABS. You've got lean sensitive ABS. You've got traction control and lean sensitive traction control on this motorcycle. Awesome electronic suite and easy to operate. You've got ride modes, rain, street, and sport, all very easy to control right from the hand control. No menu that you have to flip through like some other brands. Now, the heart and soul of this motorcycle is a 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 motorcycle engine, 8 valves per for the total engine, 4 valves per cylinder, 2 intake, 2 exhaust, and 2 spark plugs on every cylinder. Very efficient, high performance combustion chamber. We've got 105 horsepower and 130 foot-pounds of torque. This bike moves. Come and ride it and you'll see what I mean. If you're riding an older Street Glide, you don't know what you're missing. And it's only 811 pounds. No, this is not a 1,000-pound Electra Glide or a 1,000-pound Goldwing or 1,100 or 1,200-pound Goldwing. Harley has worked very hard to lighten up these bikes and make the experience much more enjoyable, easier to handle at a stoplight and a traffic light. You've also got hill assist, one quick stab at the front brake lever. If you're at a stoplight or a stop sign, and the motorcycle will hold itself. You put your feet down. Easy to manage this motorcycle at a stop. Now, we've got double disc brakes. We've got dual bending fork valve technology, emulsion shocks, and it's sport tuned. The bike handles well. It's got a tight, taut feel to it. This bike really handles. We've got high performance premium Dunlop tires with a dual 180 millimeter compound tire in the back, harder rubber in the center. Ups the mileage, you get more for your money out of the tires. Great motorcycle, one-touch saddlebags. They flip open nice and easy. Chrome handles to match the chrome and black wrinkle engine. Now, 117 cubes. We've got an air cleaner, plenty of leg clearance over here now, unlike some of the older bikes. We've got center-cooled heads. That means we've tucked a radiator into the chin spoiler. You hardly see it. The heads are liquid-cooled. Less heat on the rider and passenger, more performance, higher compression. Again, Harley is delivering. This has the traditional heart and soul of a Harley-Davidson. It's got a big thumping V-twin, slip-on mufflers, very adaptable. One of our most popular options at Harley-Davidson Danbury is we're a factory-authorized Jekyll and Hyde dealer. It's a multi-mode, 3-mode exhaust system, quiet, medium, and loud, all push-button actuated at the handlebar. Very popular on these bikes. Very powerful sound, very nice improvement in performance. So check this motorcycle out. Now, a couple other features this bike has. I told you about the LED lighting. Got a fit and finish that's second to none. We've got a 6-speed transmission, so it's fuel injected, no gas valve, no choke, no hiccuping, no coughing, no sputtering. You've got a belt drive in the back that's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free. And again, that 6-speed transmission gives you gear for every situation. You got speakers in the front. You've got the ability to control the airflow with a lever here. And again, ABS brakes, traction control, hill assist, beautiful, easy to operate electronic suite. Come on down to Harley-Davidson at Danbury. We're at 203-730-2453. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturdays, we're here 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Behind me is our DynoJet 250i dynamometer for Screaming Eagle performance. We can test, tune, and improve your motorcycle for you. That's why we call our dealership the Danbury Muscle Factory. And if you want to come down and see some of my high-performance bikes, I'll be happy to show you them too. So Harley-Davidson at Danbury, DynoJet 250i, Jekyll & Hyde factory authorized dealer, 2026 Street Glide. Everything you need at the dealership. Come on down, we'll see you and we'll go riding. Thank you for watching.